Alright, what's up guys? So we got the new throttle cable, came in today, which is nice. I think shipping's kind of going back to normal. It was like 12 bucks or something. It's the same size as this, so pretty much just on the old one. Since I couldn't get it out of here, because that doesn't come off. You know, it's a tamper-proof carb. So I kind of just tried to pull it out, or like kind of wiggle it out and stuff, but the end of that broke off. You know, that thing, which you really need that. So that carb's crappy. I'll get rid of that stuff. And here's a new knockoff Mikuni carb that I'm gonna stick on. Just washed the air filter as well, so we'll get that up and running. But yeah, I'm hoping this will work out nicely. I'll tell you what, I'm gonna run the cable down first. Good enough. Alright, so that's coming down here. And then I'll stick this in there. First of all, we need our rubber piece up top. Like that. Then our cap. Stick it through here. It's got a seal up top. That's good. That's good. And then, our spring. So we're gonna have to really compress down. This spring ain't too hard. It's just really hard to get it because I got. Let's see if I can get extra. Stick that through. Then all we have to do, press that a bit. Sure it sits in the notch. Spring can go back on. And then just like that. Let me work that over. Boom. And we got the extra play up there, so, you know. You can see that? Working good. Whoops. Well, that'll be under pressure once we get that on there. So now, put a little plastic bag so no dust gets in the engine. Take off these lock nuts. Hopefully you can kind of see what I'm doing. Oops. The seal that came with the this carburetor fits on the same, or the boot and the seal, yeah. So the boot that is on the Taotao normally is way better than this crappy one. I wouldn't even recommend using that. And the seal fits on, and so does the carb. So really, I just need to find a way to. Oh, I don't know if you can see it in here. Let me get a flashlight. Got this all tightened down. You can see that carb ain't moving. You got your nuts and stuff in there. Chokes right here. Tighten those all the way down. That's good. Same thing on the other side. This side was way easier, but tying that bolt and the nut down, that seal looks good. So yeah, that's looking pretty good actually. I just really gotta figure out this throttle assembly. I'm just gonna run it this way. Let me grab my thingy. Which I'm hoping the old one, it was kind of loose, you know. It was like it had a lot of play in it before you even got throttle, which I'm hoping I can kind of fix that, but that could be kind of like a faulty design, just with the way that they made these. But if you're having throttle problems or need another little kind of insight on that, frick, then here you are, going out the side of the croc. Bam. Crocs are the ultimate shoes. I wasn't riding them, but I always work on stuff when I wear my Crocs. Crocs, they should definitely sponsor me. So we got, yeah. Well, I don't need this anymore. This little part. So that one comes with one. So that's trashed. Put that with the old one. So we're pretty much going like this. Or kind of like that, guess you could say. So I'll run this through. Here's your other little piece right there. That goes in. I'll screw this little piece in. I'm gonna have to pull this tight. But you have this little piece right here. And that sits in here, kind of like over your cable. That helps kind of just run it down there, go past that curve. And you have your throttle assembly, which you'll have to run and then, oh wait. So you want that. Well, it's kind of hard. My hands are all greasy now. Well, there's a little notch right here. So you run your cable and then you run it to the side. It's gonna run that kind of in there first, then run it down. That works quite a little bit better. Like that. So you can see, whoa, what the? Well, it'll sit in there, and then I can adjust. Yeah, okay. So that makes it quite a little bit better. I just need to stick this over that thing while it's on there. Cause say I'm riding. Yeah, that's pretty good. So stick the other side on there. Screws going in. Gotta make sure we're all the way on. My question is, how was this before? I'm pretty sure it was like this. Kind of just hovering over. Maybe I'll rewatch a Taotao video real quick and see if it actually was kind of like this. I think it was like this. Because I don't think it was upside down. Or anything. What the frick? Because you can see, that's how it was before, you know. I don't think they just designed it that well. But you can hear that? Walks back all good. Ooh, cable looks all good. Looks like it's routed all well. So man, I think we're honestly ready to fire her up. And check this out. Really quick. Thing is, like, you can see all that. It's actually a little better. Oh, that's like hardly any. Compared to before, that's probably about as good as I can get it. So let me go ahead and oil up this air filter. And we'll take it for a spin. See if it's any good. Alright, that's good. Air filter's on there. Fuel coming on. Choke is up like that. Down like that. We'll do choke first. Let's find a screwdriver or a little thing that fits for that idle. Let's see. Here we are, boys. Choke is on, fuel is on, air filter just cleaned. Haven't started the Taotao in a few days. 2 licks of the throttle. Hang on. Start it up. Idle seems to be doing fine. I will adjust it in a bit. Oh, does seem like it's running fine right off the bat for idle. Okay, never mind, choke coming off. So let me adjust the idle a bit. Man, when it's running on choke, it seems like it's fine. Oh, that exhaust gets really hot. See if I can start it without. Seems like the idle's a little bit high. So let me take it down a little bit. Okay, that's good. That sounds like a pretty good idle. Alright. So I'm gonna go out and I'm just gonna ride this thing. I've ridden this thing like for a freaking 3 months, alright? So I know what it's like with the old carb. Gonna go see if it's any more powerful. So yeah, choke is definitely all the way off. We let it idle for quite a little bit. Whoa. This thing is different. Feels like it's a little bit running a little bit better, a little more power. I don't know though. Feel like it's a little bit better than normal. Well, way easier to pop wheelies. Yeah, I feel like it's better. I don't know though. The speed test will tell. I just feel like it gets up to speed a lot faster, you know? Like, I just feel like it's a lot better. I don't know though. Yeah, like first gear seems so short. Let me do it from a full stop. Like, check this out. And we're already maxed out. That's pretty insane. You can just jump through the gears. I mean, you could before, but this is like... Oh yeah, this is so much better. You can just, it's just got like way more power now, you know? You see that? You're already in fourth like that. That's crazy, dude. It sounds so much better too. I'm gonna do a top speed test on this thing right after this video. That'll be the next thing on my channel, so if you're watching this video, the top speeds will probably be up by then. So yeah, you should go check out that top speed test. Way more just takeoff power coming at you, you know? You just kind of, first gear is so much shorter now. You just kind of go, and like, I bet wheelies are going to be so much more easy with this thing. So yeah, I'd recommend it. It ain't bad.